Hey there, this is episode number 217. And in this show, we are breaking down how to actually structure the content for a Train the Trainer program. So, if you're a coach or a consultant, you're a subject matter expert or service provider, and you are building an actual Train the Trainer program, you're wondering what actually goes into that? What are some of the things that I could think about? We are going to break all of that down for you in this particular podcast episode. My name is April Beach, if you and I don't know each other yet, and I am the founder and CEO of the Sweet Life Company and host here on the show for the last 7 years. Thank you so much for listening to this show. We're super glad that you're here, and we are known for delivering business trainings and strategies that other coaches will charge you thousands for. If you are in a place where you are building your certification program or a Train the Trainer program, or if you're ready to start licensing your content, your trainings, your courses, and your curriculum to other companies, you are in the right place. Visit us at sweetlifeco.com and you can apply for our Amplified Licensing Accelerator, or you can immediately get into our entry level but powerful Licensing Launchpad training by visiting licensinglaunchpad.com. In that training, I even break down for you exactly what the top 10 industries are looking for when they are out there hunting down programs just like yours to bring into their organization. So in this show, we're talking about how to actually build the components and just different ways that I recommend you think about strategically delivering your content in the Train the Trainer capacity. If you have any questions about this show, when it drops live, I will be off grid surfing for 10 days in Costa Rica, but you can always email my team at hello@sweetlifeco.com if you find yourself in an urgent situation with a licensing opportunity, or if you would like to learn more about our upcoming 30-day licensing accelerator. It's kicking off in March. I am so excited about it. It's a first ever thing. Then visit us at sweetlifeco.com and we will save you a seat in there. So for this particular show, as promised, you are going to walk away understanding some of the different assets that you can deliver in a Train the Trainer program and the pros and the cons of each. We're going to unpack this for you. I'm going to do a 360-degree view of all of the different content that you may want to deliver in a Train the Trainer program, and also some of the reasons and considerations for each one. Now, your program is going to be completely unique here on the podcast. I'm not able to hear what you have to say and actually personally pour into you like I am able with our clients. So this is going to be a little bit more of a strategic high-level overview, but I know it will be powerful. I get questions about this all the time. And so stick with us here and we're going to dive in and I'm going to share with you all of the nuances of how to build a Train the Trainer program successfully that's going to be profitable for you and valuable for the people you're delivering it to. All right, here we go.